The holy month of Ramadan is about to come to an end with Eid on April 11, after the appearance of the crescent moon. In short, Eid means celebration and Fitr means breaking of the fast. The exact date of the festival differs each year, as Islam follows a lunar calendar which is based on the sighting of the new moon or crescent moon. This year it falls on April 11 in most parts of the world. Except in Kerala, Ladakh and Jammu and Kashmir. Like any other festival, people decorate their homes, share meals, exchange gifts, engage in charitable acts to help feed poor people, and gather with family and friends to wish them Eid Mubarak, which means blessed Eid. A lot of people keep fasts throughout the month, and those who observe it can neither eat or drink, including water. They can only eat after the sunset when they break their fast. That is called iftar or fitur. Eid is also the time when children are the happiest since they get Eidis, gifts or tokens of love from elders. Not only this, lavish feasts, including traditional dishes, are prepared to indulge in after a month of fasting. During this festival, many also attend prayers at mosques in the morning hours. This time is seen as the time to forgive and seek forgiveness. How do you celebrate Eid? Share in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to Shosha for all things festivities.